Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another installment for my series here on this channel. Today's makeup artist we're going to be exploring is Rocio Cervantes, aka ROCIOCEJA on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Today I'm going to be recreating one of the looks that she's done on her Instagram, and it's literally so bomb and I love it so much. It's a nice cut crease, but like a different shape, a different style, you know. It's very out of the box and very out of my comfort zone, to be honest, because I usually don't do my cut creases in this shape because I feel like they don't suit my eyes, but I feel like they look really good today. Like, it looks really good and I love it. So yeah, if you guys are watching my videos for the first time, I'm Shania and I'm starting a series on my channel where I basically choose my favorite makeup artists from Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, you name it, and I basically explore their techniques and their styles and their artistry, and I go ahead and take what they do and do it in my video just to try to, you know, learn myself how to do different styles and different techniques in my own makeup, just so I can evolve in my own makeup journey. And this is also to educate you guys as well if you guys are interested. So yeah, if you guys want to know more about my series, you guys can go to my first video that I did on NYX tutorials, and I'll leave it up here or down below for you guys to check it out. So Rocio is really known for all of her cut creases and all of her really creative and outstanding work, and they're all super colorful. I really love everything she does. Like, everything is super intricate and just super precise in everything she does, and I literally love that about her work. Like, it's just amazing. She's truly the queen of rainbow. Like, she invented the rainbow at this point. She really did. So that's why I decided to recreate this look from her, because it's like literally everything that she stands for. And the inner corner star, literally love that in an industry where basic makeup looks like smoky eyes, you know, brown smoky eyes, orange smoky eyes, she's over here doing the most precise and like extravagant, colorful, creative makeup looks. Like, that's the thing I really admire most about Rocio and her work, because we both, I feel, just gravitate towards color more than just like your basic, you know, smoky eyes and like wing liner looks, just because sometimes that gets a bit old and we just want to do color because it's just the best, and I love that. So that's why I chose Rocio for today's video. And yeah, if you guys have not checked Rocio out, I'll leave all of her links down below for you guys to check out her channel, her Instagram, and her Twitter. Yeah, without any more jibber jabber, we're gonna just get right into the look. Okay, just to start off this look, I'm gonna be using the Pretty Vulgar, the Ink Gel Liner in the shade Blacklist. And I'm gonna be using that on my lids as a base for the black eyeshadow to make everything nice and smoky. And I'm starting on the lid first and then working my way up into the crease slightly and with little to no pressure, because I want it to be super smooth and blended. Now with a Now with the Morphe M139 brush, I'm just gonna take my brush and just blend the edges of this liner before we apply any black shadow. Just want to blend it out a bit. Okay, now to make this a little bit more darker, we're going to be going in with a black eyeshadow. In brush, I'm just going to be patting that black all over the gel liner just to set it in place. It's pretty matte though, but I just want to set it in place just in case, honey. And then with the excess product on my brush, I'm going to blend it up into the crease. Now that we look super crazy, I'm going to go ahead with a clean blending brush. I'm just going to blend the edges here because they look crazy, honey. They look crazy. I'm going to blend the edges. Okay, now it's time to cut the crease. I honestly had the hardest time with cutting the crease in this shape because I've never done this shape before, so jeez. Rocio, you're iconic, girl, because I don't know how you be doing this. To make things a little bit more precise when you're doing cut creases is to use a really fine and thin liner brush just to create the cut in your crease first. And then you go in with a bigger brush just to make it blend out a bit. So I'm just going to take some concealer on the back of my hand. I'm just going to be cutting my crease like I'd usually do, like starting off that way. And then it's going to be like an oval shape. So I'm just going to start cutting the crease like I would usually do. And then instead of just stopping it right in the middle of my eyes, I'm going to bring it in like an oval shape. Okay, now I'm just going to take the rest of that concealer on a different brush and I'm just going to put it on the area where we cut. And this is going to be a base for the shadows we're going to be applying today. Okay, I'm going to be using my Morphe 35B palette today and my Juvia's Place, the Zulu palette, because they have the shades that I need. Starting with red here. I'm going to be popping that right on top of the concealer. To go ahead with that same black from before, I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. Now I'm going to be doing the infamous inner corner star from Rocio. Like, oh my gosh, you guys, this is the most iconic thing she's ever done, to be honest. So I'm going to try to do it. Hopefully it comes out right on the side because it came out really good on this eye. So let's do this. I'm going to use this Star Crushed Minerals highlighter in the shade Honeysuckle to brighten it up a bit. Thingy. I did it! Oh. For lashes today, I'm going to be wearing the lashes. I'm going to be wearing lashes from Icon Eyelashes in the shade Drunken Love. Look how beautiful these are. These are stunning. Woo! I'm going to go ahead and pop these off camera, and then I'm going to be back to do the face. Okay. Okay guys, I'm back with pretty much all my face done. I just have to do some bronzing and blush and highlighter and all that stuff. And then, okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and set my foundation in place with my ColourPop No Filter Setting Powder. You guys know I usually don't set my makeup, but I did it in my last video and I kind of like the way my skin looks with my foundation set. So we're going to do that today. And I did my face off camera just to save some time for today's video because, like, I didn't want it to be 3 hours long. Now I'm just going to go ahead and bronze my skin up with my Juvia's Place Zulu palette. And I'm going to take this brown eyeshadow like I always do. I'm just going to go to town here. Okay, for highlighter today, I'm going to be using this Urban Decay Disco Queen highlighter. It doesn't have a shade name, it's just called Disco Queen. And Rocio had like a purpley reflected highlighter in her makeup for this look, so we're going to do that today. I'm going to go with my Juvia's Place Magic palette, and I'm going to take the shade Faso, just to give it a little bit more of a purple look. Make it a little bit more blinding. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna take my NYX espresso lip liner like always, and we're gonna line our lips. Taking my Urban Decay cream lipstick in the shade Naked. The Balm lip gloss in the shade Snap, just to finish off the lips. Okay, so that's pretty much it for today's look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys think I nailed this recreation of Rocio's look in the comments down below. I'll be putting all the products that I used in today's video in the description bar down below for you guys to check out, along with some coupon codes for you guys to save some coins on your products. And yeah, you guys can follow me on Twitter and Instagram, all at Makeupbyshaniah, and I'll see you guys in the next video.